Hi guys, I'm sorry I haven't been around for a while. I've actually been off doing some thinking to just my overall business and what I want to do with myself. I've had a few classes that I've done online that have really been beneficial for me in the last few weeks. They've taught me a lot about where I want to go with things and what I want to do with my art, and one of them is this painting that I'm doing here. It's kind of like I'm finding my niche, if you know what I mean. Kind of abstracty, but not. It still has, it's clear that it's. I don't know what you'd say about this, but yeah, if you can comment below any thoughts on what you would call this painting, I'd be really, really grateful for any feedback. But this is called Raven, and I am going to start doing a lot more of these paintings. Just because they're so therapeutic to do, just because I can literally pour the paint on the canvas and let it just drip everywhere, and I love seeing where the marks end up. And and two, it's just colours. Looking at the colours was so therapeutic for me, just having them on the canvas. And even my partner said, I love the colours on that, and we all like a lot of colour. So yeah, I enjoyed it immensely, and I hope you guys can find something from it as well. Leave any comments below if you fancy. Thanks for watching.